तो अभी हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी सिक्स सेम का जो पेपर था इसकी आंसर की ए सीरीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, हु सेड एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इज द फॉर्म ऑफ डिटेल्ड application of psychology of learning to practical teaching problems? B part, robot equals. Question number second, which of the following is not true for education technology? C part, it improves the content of teaching. Question number third, education technology is influenced by D part, all of these. Question number four, software approach to education technology has its origin in D part, behavioral science. Question number five, the audio visual aids such as charts, models, sliders, film strips, audio cassettes, and sophisticated equipment and gadgets such as radio, television, film projectors used in the process of teaching and learning can be categorized as A part, hardware approach. Question number 6, a network of teaching techniques or devices employed to accomplish certain defined set of learning objectives in classroom is termed as D part, instructional design. Question number 7, developing the process of teaching through application of physiological, sociological, and scientific knowledge is called B part, instructional technology. Question number 8, modifying the behavior of the teacher and pupils in accordance with the teaching observed is called behavioral technology. A part. Question number 9, systems approach owes its origin to C part, computer science. Question number 10, to analyze the contents of the instruction and organize it in a proper sequence is included in pre micro objectives of ET. Question number 11, education technology helps in D part, all of these. Question number 12, education technology provides general support to the A part classroom. Question number 13, education technology makes education more D part, all of these. Question number 14, education technology is relevant in the following components of education D part, all of these. Question number 15, which of the following is included in the objectives of education technology D part, all of these. Question number 16, which of the following fields is influenced by computers D part, all of these. Question number 17, computer in classroom includes any digital technology used to C part, replace traditional methodology. Question number 18, computers are used in classroom because they are D part, all of these. Question number 19, in addition to the process of teaching, computer in schools are used to A part, maintain school record. Question number 20, one of the advantages of using computer in classroom includes A part, makes students active. Question number 21, an interactive instructional teaching whereby a computer is used to prevent the instructional material and monitor the learning is called A part, computer assisted instruction. Question number 22, CAI provides C part both A and B. Question number 23, which of the following is not a type of CAI? D part, inventions. Question number 24, the type of CAI that provides an approximation of reality that does not require the expense of real life risk is called B, stimulation. Question number 25, which of the following is an advantage of CAI? A part, self-pacing. Question number 26, one of the benefits of using internet in education includes D part, effective teaching. Question number 27, system of formalized teaching through electronic reasons is called B part, e-learning. Question 28, MOOCs used as online courses are aimed at D part, all of these. Question number 29, the type of e-learning in which information is passed through forms like email, etc. is called A part, psychochronous e-learning. Question number 30, disadvantages of e-learning includes B part, face-to-face interaction.